Manny, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really sorry that I've not been uploading as much as I would like to have, but I am getting back into the routine of uploading regular, and there's lots of new stuff that's coming for the channel. So today I'm going to be taking you with me to pick up my new car. I'm so excited for this one. So if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I've had the Defender 90 and I absolutely love the car, and the Defender is still one of my favourite cars. But I just thought, as it's coming up to summer, we've got a bit of nice weather, I am actually going to try a convertible. I did actually have a convertible a long time ago. Literally when I first passed my test, I went out and bought myself a Peugeot 206cc. And I absolutely loved that little car, but with the British weather, I don't think I even had chance to have the roof down most of the time. So yeah, I'm hoping this one is going to be different, but that one was obviously a long time ago. So today I'm actually going to be picking up a Jaguar F-Type, so yeah, a lot faster than my 206 obviously. I am super excited because the weather has actually been amazing recently. So yeah, the past few days have been really sunny, and I'm hoping we get a few more as well, so I have a chance to get a proper drive in this. I think I am actually quite used to driving bigger cars, so I'm not sure how I'm going to adapt having a much smaller car, and hopefully I like it. So yeah, let's go and pick it up. So we just got to the dealership now. That's my Defender there on the left. Really sorry if you can hear a bit of the wind. I have got my new camera and I forgot to bring the wind canceller for it. So I've just driven the car back from the dealership and I absolutely loved it. It was so much fun, but it is super, super fast. Obviously, it's not going to be as practical as my Defender, with it being a two-seater and not as much space in there. But I did like it a lot more than what I thought. I will be uploading a short walk around video of the F-Type, and then I'll be doing my usual. If you've seen my other videos, I do usually upload a bit of a longer video where I talk you through and show you through all the features of the car. So keep an eye out for those. Those will be coming very soon. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.